Why, hi everybody, and welcome to the Pixel Classroom. And it's nice that Tor's introducing here is where I do not only tutorials, but also introduce something you can use in your classroom now. And this works very well for elementary to early high school here, and that is the board game Bunnyz. Bunnyz was originally designed by an 11-year-old who wanted to have coding not only be fun, but more enjoyable and engagement. And it basically turned on to one of the best STEM games around here, too. So this game can be purchased anywhere at your local business or online. So how does the game work? Let's get into that right now. So here is your board all nicely set up. And now each player gets a specific one depending. You can go up to 4 players here. So you have blue, purple, red, and green here. So each one will, of course, roll the die. Whoever gets the highest number goes first. So on your first one, the die tells you how many coding blocks or moves you may use on your turn. So you don't roll this dice until it's your turn. It usually goes normal clockwise here. Remember, so this isn't the turn. First, you roll this to figure out who goes first. After that, you have to see how many lines of code you have set up here. So basically, the bunny is placed at the start line. So that's right there. So there we go. I got my blue bunny all ready to go there. And of course, the goal is to reach the carrots. Everybody gets their own color carrot pieces here of all the different colors. So, of course, let's say the bunny is over here close to the goal. Maybe it's way over here, and then you'll have to reach it too. So once that happens here, the carrot's over there. So the first thing is the destination tile, because after collecting the carrot, you have to get to your destination, which is the wayfinder here in the center of the board. So let's say it's my turn, and I roll. I get 1 card here. All the cards have been shuffled. My first one, of course, is a loop code. So this is a loop code that I have to place for them to do, and I have to do that in 1 turn. Well, there's one little problem, as you can see. There's not much I can actually do with this loop code. So henceforth, I would have to pass my turn until I got another card here too. Let's say it's my turn. I got another loop code in 4 moves. But right here, a very simple. The bunny moves forward. So I could use one of these loop codes. But the problem is my carrot is forward 2 and then to the left 2. So I can't really lose my loop code. Now, if the carrot was up here, I could say, let me use this forward code with the 3 loop code. I could do this. And of course, then the bunny would just go upward once. 1, 2, 3. Boy, he's done. He's moved his 3 spots. He's finished. He would just have to turn left, then it would go. I'd go to the next turn and so forth. Now, as you get more complicated with this, you can start adding obstacles right here, which is, of course, the jump. You have where it's blocked. You cannot jump these. It's basically blocked. So let's say I have this in front of my carrot. The blue bunny now cannot do it here. He would actually have to go back 1 and then have to hop this area to do it too. And there's other things here too, like what exactly are. There's different way paths and everything. Like the main one is the center, but you can set up one where they have to get to the zoo, they have to get to school, they have to get to the playground and the Ferris wheel. So carnival stuff. So each one of these have a different location that get placed and everything. And after they collect each one, they can go ahead and put them here too. So it's people who not only complete all their paths, but have collected the most when they win the game. So that's basically how all these work. And there's function blocks and so forth. Basic coding that you go with this game. So basically, if your bunny needs to go forward 2, like I said, and then turn right, then you have to use those ones here and do this forth. And it keeps going until you've collected pretty much all the wayfind ground. So each turn goes, they have to collect a new one each piece. And once you have completed the most pieces here, the game ends and everything. Like in this case, let's say I somehow was able to get every single one, I'd be great. But the bunny always has to get the carrot first before they can get the pieces. And basically the game just keeps going and going and going until all the location pieces have been found and have been completed. And the one with the most wins the game. So Bunnyz does work extremely well with elementary, but as I've found out too, early high school and middle school really do benefit the most from this. It's not only a gamification. It's very good to actually put people in groups, since there's only 4 at the most per game, and usually I run classrooms much larger than 4 students or even more than 8 students. So it's good to partner up them so they can actually do work and learn how to use group dynamics here. So it's a very good teaching skills as well too. I highly recommend this game and checking it out here. If you would like to, how you can get yours, of course, check out here into the areas. Also, like and subscribe for more information on this video, and if you would like some more too. That's going to do it for this episode of the Pixel Classroom here for our wonderful thing. So go ahead and try out Coder Bunnyz today.